Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So earlier this week, Microsoft rolled out the latest optional bug fix C-release update for Windows 11 22H2 and 23H2, which is this update, KB5037853. And I posted on this update yesterday, and I'll leave that video in the end screen if you'd like a little bit more info. Now, just to let you know that unfortunately, once again, it seems that this update is causing issues. And in an update to the support document, Microsoft has confirmed that they are aware of an issue where the taskbar might not respond after installing KB5037853. And over in that support document for the update, Microsoft has said, and I'm quoting, after installing this update, you might face issues using the taskbar. You might notice the taskbar temporarily glitching, not responding, disappearing, and reappearing automatically. Now, fortunately, I haven't noticed anything like that on my device. Everything seems all okay on my device, but that now is an official known issue for this update, KB5037853. So just bringing it to your attention in case you have noticed any glitching or your taskbar is not responding, disappearing, or reappearing automatically. Now, the good news is that Microsoft says the issue is resolved using a known issue rollback, KRR for short. And this is something Microsoft does from their side. You don't have to download another update. It's something that so-called takes place behind the scenes. And it might take up to 24 hours for the resolution to propagate automatically to home and pro devices and non-managed business devices, so just take note of that. But what I do suggest is just restart your device, and I found that restarting your device when Microsoft says they are applying a known issue rollback, that does speeden up the process, and that can quicken up everything to get that known issue rollback into gear and kick that into gear a lot quicker to resolve the issue. And if you are still facing issues after you've restarted your device, maybe over the next day or so, and the taskbar is still causing issues, maybe glitching or not responding as an example, then what I would suggest is uninstalling the update, because this update is optional. So you don't actually need it on your system, because these optional updates roll out before they are basically a preview update. They roll out before the fixes and improvements and so on are carried over into the Patch Tuesday update for the next month, which will be rolling out on the second Tuesday of June next month. So because it's optional, I would just suggest heading down, click on uninstall updates, find the update in the menu, and just uninstall it. I think that would be the best kind of action to take place if you are finding that this issue is not resolving itself even after a day or so. So there we go. The taskbar is causing issues after the update KB5037853 has been applied. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.